So here we are back on a different day. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the journey. So you can probably hear in my voice that I'm kind of losing my voice, but I'll be okay. I ended up going to the doctors. I do have an ear infection and just got the crud. Thanks, Mom. She brought it up from Texas. And so far, I'm the only one that's gotten it. But as of last night, Gladys was starting to have a little bit of a cough. So fingers crossed. She is doing a lot better since her surgery. Thank you, everybody, for all the well wishes that we've gotten from you in her journey of what she did, getting the surgeries and stuff knocked out. And if you guys have not seen that video, I can even link that up here in the corner. Go check it out. We definitely appreciate all of our brothers and sisters and the veterans and such that helped us out during that time that we were there, and blessed us with the gifts that we got during our stay. But what have we been doing on the property? Well, I haven't been recording a whole lot because obviously you can hear. But I've still been working. I've been taking meds. I've been going slow, trying to go slow, and just staying hydrated and such. But y'all, night and day difference when you have extra hands on site. So this is just going to be a quick update so you guys can see what's going on. Right now, I'm waiting on Shane to get here so he can inspect our service pole to where hopefully we can get on the schedule to get power. So let's go check it out. I've been doing a lot of clearing. As you can see now, you can actually see all the way through there. I'll get there in a second. So over here I got the power pole put in. All right. So that's all the way done. I got the wires hanging out. And then as you can see, I have more wire here. That's been trenched over for our laundry room. So this was the last video that came out, was how one man puts up the tent. And if you guys haven't seen that video yet, go check it out. But coming over here, I got the RV power pole installed. So in the front here will be the washing machine, the dryer will be here, and the washing machine will be on the other side with a pole in between. And then I'll be able to run the RV power underneath and plug it in as well. All right. And then I've also trenched out for the water. So that's going to allow the water from the washing machine to go out. And as of right now, for water to go into the washing machine, I'm still going to be figuring that out. But I do have right here in the back of the RV, in this spot right here, is a shower. So there is hot and cold water hookups there. So I'm probably going to end up running the water to the washing machine from that shower and just utilizing water from the RV. Otherwise, we'd only be able to wash in cold water, and I would be utilizing a tank that I would have to go get filled up from that. So yeah, but there's just more projects I need to add to the list. So, but that is coming. All right. So let's go see what else we got. So you can see there's a pole here. There's another pole over here. We're actually going to be putting up a vineyard for muscadine, because we actually pulled down a very large muscadine over there. And once we get over there, I'm going to show you guys. But yeah, we're going to be splicing some of that stuff out and making a muscadine. But looky here, y'all. Bridge build. So I know you guys have been waiting, right? We finally got that log moved over from over here. I got it in place. I got the log in place, but I'm still going to be working on that. You know, that's nowhere near finished with what I need to get done. So, like I said, I'm under the weather, so a lot of these projects kind of got slowed down. Just until I start feeling better, okay? And hey, it comes with the territory. It comes with, you know, if you're doing YouTube full time, you know, you still have to get work done, you know, regardless if you're sick or not. But we've been trying to focus more on this over here for Mom and Dad's cabin, because they're only here for a limited time, and we wanted to be able to get it done before they leave, right? But hey, let's get over there and let's get it checked out. So, you know, so far we'd only had like a very small area cleared here, but this is all completely open. Y'all, this used to be all trees. Getting it all cleared out. And then we've cleared out this nice little, almost like a little walkway. But even, you know, to the left and to the right, we've been getting stuff cleared out. You know, we've been doing a lot of burning. Gladys's favorite thing to do, right? And this is actually one of the little waterways. So this right here, it goes to a culvert that's over in the road. That's what allows water to come down. But we're going to have to clear this out even more, okay, even to right here. Because once it gets to here, it just kind of like fans out. But we want to get this established to where it just goes straight to the creek, because the creek's right there. I mean, it's just, yeah, right there. It's close. Okay. But even during those record floods, the water didn't come up this high. All right. But we're getting it cleared out. A lot more burning to do. So we got some more trees to cut. I was having an issue with the saw yesterday. But we're getting some great firewood for the winter. And then, like I said, you know, right here's the creek. Got to listen to the water. But yeah, right. Oh, I'm tripping over vines. But yeah, right here in this area, right. This is where the cabin is going. So if you can see the tree right here that has that little ribbon on it, that's going to be the middle, or basically where the door is going to be to the cabin. But it's that tree's staying in place. It's not getting knocked down, right? Because the cabin itself will come, you know, from that tree. Where is it? Right there. That one. It's going to come towards, you know, me, you know, a good 10 feet before it starts. So, but that's almost going to be, because the door is close to the middle of the cabin. So that's where Mom wants that to go. You know, so from the door would be like roughly in here. So the cabin's going to go 15 feet that way, 15 feet this way, be 30 feet wide. And then from the front of the cabin, like I said, the front of the cabin will be like in here, and it's going to have a patio, covered patio. Then from here is 20 feet that way. So it's a 20 by 30. So far, because I know like some of those little trees right here still have to come out. This tree right here will definitely have to come out because that's like right in the middle of the cabin. But as you can see, we still got a little bit of clearing, to get all these leaves and this undergrowth taken out. But it's almost done because those trees right there is really close to the corner of where the cabin goes. So those will have to come out, but that's going to make for some fun digging to get that corner post in. But yeah, I got a lot of digging in my future. I've already done that for that power pole. That's a 4-foot deep hole that I did with the hand post hole diggers. Let me tell you, it was not fun. It was not fun at all. But I got it done. Definitely got it done. So, but we're going to do the same. It's not necessarily going to be 4 feet deep because the footers only need to go past the frost line. And the frost line here is only like 14 inches. So if I go down 2 feet, I'll be good because that's right about where the rocks start. So we get past the dirt, get past the clay, and then once you start getting into the rocks, it's right around the 2-foot mark. It'll be good to go. Plus, that's also where water starts to come up. So what's going to help with that, though, is water's already going to be in the hole. So whenever I start putting in the concrete, I'm not going to have to worry about adding water. At least that's the hopefully the goal, the plan. But I'll have water available to where if I need to add more, I can. But there you go, y'all. Just a quick update of what's been going on. So right now I'm waiting on Gladys and the family to get here because we're actually going to go fishing today. It's one of the last days that Mom and Dad are here. And also my sister-in-law, Kathy, she's been here as well. You've only seen her a little bit. But yeah, we're just going to kind of take it easy. I'm definitely going to take it easy today. I'm not doing any physical labor. I'm trying to rest and just get my energy back. So if that means sitting down on my butt with a fishing pole in my hand, that's what I'm going to do. So we definitely appreciate y'all for following the journey. And just know that with that being cleared out, that cabin build is going to be coming on strong. So even though I got some of these other little projects I still need to knock out, we're going to be getting hot and heavy on getting this cabin built. That way Mom and Dad have a place to come whenever they're ready to move up here full time. So, can't wait. All right, y'all. We definitely appreciate you for following the journey. We would definitely greatly appreciate you if you share us out to your friends, your family. Help us grow. Check out the links that we have down in the description. That way you can go get some merch, some awesome merchandise we have over in a bonfire store. And you can also check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and kind of Twitter. I don't really do that a whole lot, but we're there, and I definitely appreciate y'all. And last but not least, remember to always think of veteran every chance you get, not only on Veterans Day. And if you guys have missed the other excitement, my hair is no longer bright orange. So, all right, y'all. We'll see you on the next one. Later, y'all.